Welcome to our step-by-step guide on assembling the telescopic flagpole. First, remove the flagpole from its convenient transport bag. Next, unscrew the stabilizing screw from the mounting pin in the base and slide the flagpole onto the pin. Tighten the stabilizing screw to secure the flagpole. Use a 13mm wrench to ensure it doesn't move while extending the telescopic sections. Insert the flag tension arm into the rotating head at the top of the flagpole. This arm is designed strictly to fit only one width of the flag, ensuring it stays slightly taut. Slide the flag, which should have a sleeve along its top edge, onto the tension arm. Clip the top carabiner of the flag into the rotating head, pulling the flag taut. Attach the flag mounting cord to the remaining carabiners along the edge of the flag. Tighten the cord fully. Loosen the top segment of the pole by turning it counterclockwise according to the instructions on the sticker. Lock the top segment by turning it clockwise. You can extend the segments of the flagpole and attach the flag with cords alternately. Extend it to the stop mark. This is the maximum segment extension that ensures the pole remains stable in windy conditions. Clip the bottom carabiner of the flag to the mounting cord and attach the weight bag to ensure the flag remains taut and well displayed. Repeat the process for all segments of the flagpole, from top to bottom. You can partially extend the segments to adjust the final height of the pole according to your needs. All done. Now you can enjoy displaying national, union, club, or organizational flags with your elegant telescopic flagpole, perfect for any setting.